Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today's hair sponsor is Superbwigs. We are going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. It took some work to get here, but we got here in the end. As you guys saw in the earlier footage, the wig did come pretty yellow. It is that traditional 613 color, but I would almost say that it was on the more yellow side. I would say I definitely achieved this icy look, and she is definitely icy. We have the lightest ash blonde, you guys, and this was so easy to achieve once we went through the process that we went through. So the first process that we did was we toned the hair with purple shampoo. Now I always use the Joico purple shampoo, which is my favorite. It is salon quality purple shampoo that you can also find in Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, wherever you are. I'm from Canada, if you guys don't know. On my way to getting the purple shampoo, I accidentally found some champagne. Okay, so as I was saying, before I got distracted, I use this purple shampoo, and normally it never fails and it works really well with all of my wigs that I use tone, like the blonde colors. With this particular wig, when I went to tone it, it was toning unevenly. Some spots took to the purple shampoo and canceled out the yellow really well, and then other parts didn't really take to the purple shampoo and didn't cancel that out as much, and the ends got really dark, you guys, like so dark with the purple shampoo. And in order for me to remove that, I thought about filming the video like that, but I said no. I knew I had some hair dye with me, just like some store-bought stuff. So I grabbed this one that I had, and this is the Garnier very ash blonde. Okay, so that's what the color looks like. That's the color. Okay, and as you guys can see, it shows you which colors we are. We are way lighter than the lightest color, so I knew that it would work.
Something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. You know, with you, I just feel so good. I hear replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it
inches 14. This is, like I said, the 613 color. It is in the medium size cap, 150 density. She is full, you guys, and this is obviously the straight texture, and of course it was once virgin hair before it was bleached to get to the lightest color blonde. I used 2 boxes of this, and that's all I did. I put it everywhere. I literally put it everywhere. The lace didn't change color or anything. I just slapped it on, and the hair came out like this, super icy, beautiful. So this is definitely something you guys can do at home. When I'm using professional hair color, well, that's not going to really help anyone because you can't find that yourself. Like, you have to have a special card to get it because you can't really get them at Sally's beauty store. They sell different versions of like hair colors and stuff that anyone can get, but we didn't even go to Sally's. We went just to Walmart. So that's what I used. I really love it. It's beautiful. So the hair obviously is feeling a bit dry, but it still has lots of bounce. So I did clean up the side with my trimmers. You can use clippers, you can use scissors, whatever you want. It really does enhance the wig and makes it look the most beautiful. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It still has lots of bounce and luster. So definitely some good 613 hair. And I love this color, you guys. If you want to achieve it, I just told you how. Super easy. And yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys checking them out if you're in the market for some 613 hair. Forgot to mention that this is a T-part wig, so it has lace just along the sides here and just, you know, a 1-inch parting space, which is very limited. I was gonna do like the ball cap, but I decided not to do any of that today. I just popped it on over my hair, and then I just put some powder between the part line, and I think it looks beautiful. So if you like wearing 613 hair and you don't want to do necessarily the ball cap method, this is actually a great option, you guys, because it's super easy, super lazy, girl friendly, which I am. You guys know I have a busy upload schedule and I don't have time to be doing ball caps and this and that all of the time. So I love when I can just pop something on and just do a quick install, which this was. So my overall thoughts about this wig is I really like it. I love how it came out in the end. It was, you know, I wasn't sure about the color when it was like off my head and I didn't have any makeup, but as soon as I put on the makeup and I did the hair and put on the nice dress, you know, the fancy dress, it all came together. So I really like it. I think it looks really good. It feels good. I'm getting lots of sway with it when I'm moving. That is one of the things I'm looking for when it comes to straight hair and blonde hair. Thumbs up to them because this is definitely a cute wig. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. So guys, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. Do a thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. We'll see you in another video. Bye guys.